Hello everyone, today I want to show you about my durian tree. As you can see, this one smaller but at the same growing time with there. Yeah, it's almost 4 years. But look at this one, it's a little bit yellow and small because growing a little bit deep when the first time growing. Cover a little bit deep. I mean the soil that we cover during growing time. As you can see, almost 35 centimeter. And now I check out the ground. I mean take out some soil around 50 centimeter around the tree. And now I found some root, small root or root here, yes. And trying to survive or trying to develop the new root, but they cannot survive because it's deeper. And even a new root also cannot grow because so many termites making home, making space around the tree. So root has nothing to eat. So now I have to check out the termite home, destroy their home. Also termite leaf, termite making some home. See, so the root cannot go here, this side. So I will make all more. I will take more salt. Okay, so now I change some situation around the root area and covering 10% or 50% of the dry grass around the root to keep it a little bit cooler. Yes, but anyway, also need to let the soil around the tree dry. There was sun, yeah, the sun killing some disease or something. So after that, a few days, you can spray some Trichoroma